Hi warriors! So today I have for you 4 different exercises. We're gonna push really hard as always because we have to do 3 rounds for time. And I'm gonna go over each exercise to explain to you the proper form. Guys, we have to buy into this workout. This is something new that we're doing right now. So in order that you can move on to the workout, you have to buy your way in by 30 burpees. So my burpees are going to be competition burpees, which means that I'm going to go down on the ground, I'm going to touch down, hands off the ground, and jump up. That's my way of burpees. You guys can do these ones if you want. That's up to you. But we have to complete 30 of them before we can move on to the workout. So the first exercise in this workout is plyo fly, and you're gonna squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and from here you're gonna power up, you're gonna jump up as high as you can, and we're gonna do 20 reps. Make sure that your core is tight, back straight, chest up. You know, you have to have a good posture when you're doing this exercise. The second exercise in this workout is squat overhead press. I'm using a bar. You can use a broomstick. Strong guys can use a barbell with some weights on it. And the idea here is that you're gonna have a wide grip. You're gonna put it on your shoulders, on your upper back, and get your feet and knees pointing slightly outwards. You're gonna squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. You know, keep your back straight, abs tight. Here, you're gonna press up until your arms are locked, and then you're gonna come up. You know, squeeze your butt on the way up, and that's it. And we're doing 15 reps for this exercise. The third exercise is lateral jump touch. So you're gonna jump to the side, you're gonna cross over, and you're gonna get into this lunge position, but you're gonna touch the knee to the ground and your hand to the ground. So 2 points of contact. Now you're gonna jump up, go back down. That's 1 rep. And then you're gonna alternate the sides. Touch down, jump up, touch down, and keep going. Again, make sure that your back is straight. Don't ramp your back when you're doing this exercise. You know, keep a good posture and try to keep a balance. This exercise is going to really improve your balance and your agility. It's amazing. So let's move on to the last exercise, which is ab splitter. We did it already together. It's a great exercise for your abs. It's really hard. So you're gonna lay down on your back. Now you're gonna get up, sit up, and touch your toes. Now straddle, and now touch your ankles. That's 1 rep. These 3 moves that you're gonna do back to back is 1 rep, and your goal is to do it as fast as possible. So let's do this. Timer starts. 30 burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Oh my God. Okay, now I brought my way in to the workout, so I'm gonna have a sip of water. Oh my God. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, guys. Plyo fly, 20 reps right after the burpees. Awesome. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 14, 18, 20, squat, overhead press, okay. Down, press, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14, 15, lateral, jump, touchdown, jump, touch, jump, touch. That's 1 rep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Abs splitters. Okay, touch the toes, straddle, and ankles. That's 1. 2. Ankles. 3. 4. 4. Last one. 5. Okay. Second round. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Ouch. Squat, overhead press. Okay, down. Press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, lateral jump touch. Jump, touch, jump, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it 10? Yeah, absolutely. That's 1. Toes straddle down, ankles. 2, 3, 4, last one. Toes straddle, ankles. That's 5. Okay, third round. Last round. 1, 3, 10. 20. Ouch. One legs. Squat. Wide grip on your upper back. Squat down. Press and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15. Lateral jump touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, last exercise. 5, stop. With the burpees. Yeah. So this workout took me 13 minutes, 21 seconds. That includes my buy-in into this workout. So I did 30 burpees to buy into this workout, and then 3 rounds for time, 13 minutes, 21 seconds. Guys, amazing workout, super intense, you know, and it's gonna save you so much time. There's no need to spend hours at the gym. This workout will deliver you everything. Strength training, cardio, agility, balance, stretch, everything inside of these 13 minutes, 21 seconds. And you know, you can either try to follow along with me, you can try to keep up with me, or if you feel that you need more challenge, just try to beat my time. Try to be faster than me, you know? So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it very much. Now I'm gonna move on to my cool down and stretching. You should do the same thing. I'll see you guys later. Ciao. The new side is coming. We have a new side.